us for the Animation Academy. Please welcome your sketch artist, Michael Montgomery.
Everybody! Oh, wow. So today for the 12:30 show, I'm going to do Kuzco as a llama, and at the next show, I'm doing Kuzco as a human. All right. So let's make Kuzco happen. We're going to start in the middle of the page, right in the middle, and we're going to draw a ball, a circle, that's about 1.5 inches high. And watch what I'm doing here. So see, I'm not drawing right now. I'm feeling it. I'm using my shoulders. This is really how we kind of rough things in. And then when I'm comfortable, I start to kind of lay in that sphere. And notice I didn't draw a perfect sphere. You know, can we see it? I'll draw this really long llama nose. And we want to make sure that we have the nice relief. I'm going to leave that be. Okay, let's work on his eye real quick. His eye is a beautiful oval. And it starts not at the edge. You judge from where you are here to your ball in this area. A little bit more than halfway. You're going to be right there. And then we're going to come, remember this line? This line over here? We're going to come up very lightly and make that line there. I know this looks totally crazy right now. You're like following along. But trust me. So when we come up, now, not all the way to the top, I'm going to make this beautiful little curve. It just goes right into the top of his head. Just like that. There. That is actually Kuzco's gun right here. It's actually, oh, look at that. If that doesn't play well into what I've been trying to show everybody. And halfway between his smile and his head. And again, now this is, we talked about S-curves. This is a gigantic boomerang. It's not Australian, it's Inca. So it has just a little dip in it, right about here. Kind of like the ears. I should probably give a little love to the ear here. The ear has a llama. Kuzco. What's his name? I love that. That's awesome. My name is Michael Montgomery. And now I get to have my favorite part where I get to walk around and see everything you guys did. Picasso, dark line, geometry going there. Very cool. All right. I'm going to take my selfie.